Ever feel a tingle or numbness? That could be nerve damage, guys. It's more common than you think, and it can really impact your life. But before you panic, remember your body is a healing machine. And one of the best ways to help it do its job is with the right fuel. That's right, we're talking about diet. What you eat can make a huge difference in how well your nerves can repair themselves. First up, we've got the superstars of the nerve world, omega-3 fatty acids. You can find these in oily fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel. Omega-3s are like the building blocks for healthy nerve cells, helping them communicate better and even reducing inflammation. This vibrant spice isn't just for flavor, guys. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant that's been shown to protect nerves from damage and even promote nerve regeneration. Sprinkle some in your food or try a curcumin supplement. There's a reason Popeye loved his spinach. It's packed with folate, a B vitamin that's crucial for nerve function and repair. Studies have even shown that sufficient folate can improve nerve conduction and reduce pain. I remember this one patient, a musician, who was struggling with nerve pain in his hands. We talked about his diet, and it turned out he wasn't eating many healthy fats. Adding walnuts to his daily routine made a real difference. Avocados are easy to love. They're delicious, versatile, and full of healthy fats that support nerve health. Add some to your salad, make some guacamole, or just eat it straight up. These little berries are packed with antioxidants that fight off those nasty free radicals that can damage nerves. But remember, moderation is key with any food. Looking for a delicious way to get your vitamin B6? Look no further than sweet potatoes. This vitamin is essential for healthy nerve function. Roast them, bake them, or even mash them. The possibilities are endless. Don't underestimate the power of a simple egg. They're a great source of choline, which is crucial for nerve cell communication. Plus, they're packed with protein, which helps your body build and repair tissues, including nerves. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and for good reason. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe nerve pain and reduce swelling. Try it in tea, stir-fries, or even smoothies. Good news, chocolate lovers. Dark chocolate, with its high concentration of antioxidants, can help protect your nerves from damage. But remember, opt for the dark stuff with at least 70% cacao for maximum benefits. So there you have it, guys. 10 superfoods that can help your body repair nerve damage and get you back to feeling your best. Remember, food is medicine. By making smart choices and incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to heal. Of course, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor if you're experiencing any nerve problems. They can help you determine the underlying cause and create a personalized treatment plan, which may include dietary changes, physical therapy, or other interventions. Stay healthy, stay informed, and keep those nerves happy.